Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO X7 and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *# 06 £. And as you can see at the bottom of this pop-out window, we've got the serial number of this device, so let's tap on OK. And now let's check it through the settings, so let's open them. Here we have to tap on About Phone at the top. Scroll and find detailed info and specs. Scroll down again and enter the status, and here we have to tap on the model, and as you can see the serial number is right here. Alright, and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.